Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use follow-up boss for real estate property management. Okay, so the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out follow-up boss and then click on enter. Now you have this first website, so you just have to simply click on this one. Okay, and then you'll be directed to this section, and as you can see at the top you have the free trial option and the logged in. So if you don't have an account yet on follow up pause, just have to click on the free trial, and then you can sign up using your Google or sign up with your Microsoft. You can also fill out this form right here, so just type out your full name, cell phone number, email, your password, and then your location. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click on start my free trial. So you just have to verify your account. Okay, so once you are done signing up for an account, you will be redirected to this section. So right here, you just have to enter your cell phone for text and notifications only. So just have to type out right here. Okay, so make sure to click on it and then type out your phone number. Okay, and then you can choose your password right here, at least 10 characters. Okay. Okay, now after that, you have to click on and then select your location. Okay, then how many people will use the follow-up post? So 1 to 2 people. And then your annual production, so just have to choose your annual production right here and click on create my account. Okay, so after that you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then once your account is created, you can now go back here and then you just have to log in. So here on follow up boss is you really have to use your work email so that you can log in and make sure that you are from that specific location. And since we are from the Philippines, so we cannot really access the website. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to show you the different platforms. Okay, so here how different the follow up post compared to the other tools. And then here we also have the fob helps you, so you can get organized, engage with your leads, and coach your team. So let's start with the get organized option right here. Okay, so right here you can connect your leads from every source. So pull in leads automatically from 250 plus lead sources. So you can manage your own personalized client database within a single OS. So capture and follow up with leads from one place. Keep full control of your client data on your terms. Choose the lead providers that work for you. Okay, so here let us see the lead sources. Okay, so for the lead providers, as you can see, guys, FUB doesn't just support integration. Integrations are the core of our vision for what a CRM should be. So get leads from anywhere. Connect all your favorite tools and manage everything from one place. So you decide what gives your team an edge. So FUB brings it all together. So we have Agent Fire, Agent Locator, Agent Loft, All Property Management, Altus Research, Auction.com, Better Voice, Bird Eye, Boomtown, Brevity, Sync, and we also have City Blast. So there are so many lead providers that we can use. Now, going back here, okay, so for the lead distribution, so you can get every lead to the right person. Okay, so manage and automate lead assignment rules to keep your team organized and productive, even if you're away. So improve speed to lead and client satisfaction. Assign leads to your team via round robin or it's to claim. Distribute leads by area, price, or MLS number. Organize lead ponds to let agents discover more deals. And then you can also sync your website leads and see their activity. Now, let's proceed to the next one. We have engage with your leads. Okay, so right here, For the action plans, you can send an auto text and drip emails to leads. So make sure every lead gets an immediate response from your team and ensure consistent, persistent follow up. So personalize texts and emails to increase conversion, create a task checklist to systematize your process, and automatically prompt your team to reach out personally. Now, for the smart list, you have to know how to follow up with and when. Sort and prioritize your leads into a smart list and turn every agent into a high performer. Remove the guesswork and stop wasting time on the wrong leads. Now, let's proceed to the next platform. We have the coach your team. Okay, now right here, you can build a culture of accountability. So equip your team with the intelligence and tools they need to hit their goals. So for the reporting, you can measure your team's performance, get advanced insights into your agent's performance with pre-built and customized reports. Visualize speed to lead, conversion rates, and other metrics to identify coaching opportunities. You can track appointments set by agents and see their outcomes over time, and make better decisions by analyzing teams' deal pipeline and monitoring commission and closing. Now, for the leaderboard, you can motivate your agents. So, make it easy for your team to know where everyone stands and find areas they can improve. So, automatically count up your team activity and share it publicly with a beautiful dashboard. So, power your monthly sales meetings with key analytics. Make it on who's leading in metrics that really matter. So, close deals, volume, and GCI. Now, for the call coaching, you can listen to calls for better conversations. So, automatically record your team's calls so you can review what went well or what did not. So, save a full history of every conversations forever. Download and share call recordings for coaching sessions, and never forget important details or talking points with the AI powered calls, summarizes, and transcripts. For the mentions, spotlight important notes and feedbacks to comment directly on your team's progress to motivate and train them on best practices. So celebrate victories and give your team kudos and call out areas to improve in real time, collaboratively coach on conversation strategies. Now, using the follow up boss is an advantage because it helps you keep all your leads, clients, and conversations in one place, making it easier to stay organized. So instead of manually tracking messages, calls, or emails, the system automatically records them so you don't miss any opportunities. So it also gives reminders and follow ups, which can help you build better relationships with clients and close deals faster. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.